How to log in into your ATT mail online. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser, or you can move into Safari if you're on your iOS device. Let me head over to Safari. Once you're in here, in the search bar, search for ATT email login. It will land you on this page. Tons of different sites will be visible to you, but you need to head over to the very first site, AT&T Mail. It will land you on the official page. Now click on this three horizontal line at the top right corner and then click on Sign In. Wait for a while for it to load. It will lead you to this page. Now first of all, enter your user ID associated with your account and then click on Continue. Now simply enter the password that you have created before. In case if you have forgotten your password, then click on Forgot Password. After that, follow the on-screen process and you will be able to recover your password. So once you have entered your login credential, simply tap on Sign In and you will be successfully logged into your specific account and you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can log in into your ATT Mail account. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.